Hi guys, welcome back to Budget Buying. Today we're diving into the world of tasty breakfast treats with the best mini waffle maker. If you love homemade waffles, quick snacks, or creative cooking, you're going to enjoy this one. Let's get started. The Crownful Mini Waffle Maker is a compact kitchen gadget designed to bring fun and flavor into your everyday meals. Its Italian-inspired design isn't just stylish, it's made to make cooking easier and more enjoyable. From waffles to eggs, grilled cheese, and even small pizzas, this mini waffle maker handles it all. It's perfect for anyone who wants quick, versatile cooking without a bulky appliance taking up space. One of the standout features of the Crownful Mini Waffle Maker is its dual-sided non-stick surfaces. These heat evenly to give you perfectly cooked waffles every time. No more uneven browning or stuck batter. Plus, cleanup is a breeze. Just wipe down the plates and you're done. This means more time enjoying your food and less time scrubbing. Another great feature is its versatility. You're not limited to waffles. You can make eggs, hash browns, biscuits, paninis, cookies, and even small pizzas. It's like having multiple cooking appliances in one compact device. For anyone who likes experimenting in the kitchen, this mini waffle maker is a dream come true. Despite its powerful performance, the Crownful Mini Waffle Maker is incredibly compact and portable. With a 4-inch body, it fits easily in cabinets, drawers, dorm rooms, or even a camper or RV. This small footprint means it doesn't crowd your countertop, making it perfect for small kitchens, students, or families with limited space. The easy operation makes it ideal for quick meals. Just plug it in, wait for the indicator light to show it's ready, and start cooking. It heats up fast and delivers consistent results, so your breakfast or snack is ready in no time. Its sleek design adds a touch of style to your kitchen. The Italian-inspired look isn't just for show, it's smooth, durable, and built to last, making it a charming addition to your countertop. In everyday life, the Crownful Mini Waffle Maker shines. Busy mornings? It helps you whip up a hot breakfast in minutes. Afternoon snack cravings? It's ready to go. Even for casual cooking at home or quick meals while traveling, this mini waffle maker keeps everything simple and fun. This product is perfect for anyone who loves cooking without clutter. Students, small families, RV owners, or anyone with limited kitchen space will benefit most. It's for anyone who wants delicious meals with minimal effort. Here's the deal. You're going to love how convenient and fun this little kitchen helper is. Check the price link in the description and see it for yourself. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more awesome kitchen gadgets and helpful tips. See you next time.